Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 9.1 question number 8. Fill in the boxes with the correct symbol out of is greater than, is less than and is equal to. Now we shall deal with question number 1. Here you see question number 1 is minus number 1. There is minus 5 by 7, minus 5 by 7 and 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Here you see this is negative rational numbers and this is positive rational numbers, and positive rational number is always greater than negative rational number. Therefore we can say that minus 5 by 7 is less than 2 by 3, right? Now question number 2. Question number 2 is minus 4 by 5, minus 4 by 5, and another number is minus 5 by 7, minus 5 by 7. Now here you see both the denominators are different, therefore you have to make the denominators same, right? Therefore you take the LCM of 5 and 7. Let us take the LCM of 5 and 7. 5, 7. If we divide it by 1, it comes to 5, 7. That means LCM is 5 into 7, that is equal to 35. LCM is equal to 35, right? Now this number is minus 4 by 5, minus 4 by 5. If we divide LCM 35 by 5, we'll get 7. We have to multiply both numerator and denominator with 7, right? Therefore multiply 5 into 7, that is minus 4 into 7, minus 4, that is 4 7 is 28, minus 28 by 5 7 is 35. Number 2, minus 5 by 7, minus 5 by 7. If we divide 35 by 7, we'll get 5. That we have to multiply up numerator and denominator by 5. That is 7 into 5, 7 into 5, minus 5 into 5. That you are getting minus 25, minus 25 by 35. Now if we compare both these rational numbers, that is minus 28 by 5 and minus 25 by 5. Here you see the denominator is same, right? This is 35 and this is 35. And this is minus 28 and this is minus 25, right? Minus 25 is on the right side of minus 28. That means this number, this rational number is greater than this rational number. That is minus 25 by minus 25 by 35. Minus 25 by 35 is greater than minus 28 by 35. We know that in a number line, the rational number which is right of the other number, then the right side of the number is greater than the left side. Suppose this one. This is 0, this is minus 1, this is minus 2. Now you see minus 1 is on the right side of minus 2. That means minus 1 is greater than minus 2. 0 is on the right side of minus 1. That is 0 is greater than minus 1. In the same way, in minus 25 and minus 28. You see minus 25 in the right side of minus 28. So we can say that minus 25 by 35 is greater than minus 28 by 35. Right? Minus 25 by 35 means this number. That means minus 4 by 5 is less than minus 5 by 7. Right? And minus 4 by 5 is less than minus 5 by 7. Or minus 5 by 7 is greater than minus 4 by 5. Right? This is less than. Right? Now question number 3. Now we solve question number 3. Now question number 3 is, here you see, question number 3 is minus 7 by 8, minus 7 by 8. Fourteen by minus 16, 14 by minus 16, right? Now, first of all, we will make the denominator same, that is, we have to make the LCM of, find the LCM of 8 and 16. Let's find the LCM of 8 and 16. Here it is 8, here it is 16. If we divide it by 2, 2 4 is 8, and 2 4 is 8, and 2 8 is 16. Again by 2, that is 2 2 is 4, and 2 4 is 8. 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8. And again by 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. Therefore, LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2, into 2, into 2, into 2. And that comes to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, it is 16. The LCM is 16. Right? Therefore, we are getting minus 7 by 8, minus 7 by 8 is equal to, if we divide this LCM by 16 by 8, we are getting 2. That means we have to multiply this numerator and denominator by 2. That is 8 into 2. 8 into 2 is equal to minus 7 into 2. That is, we are getting minus 14 by 8 to the 16. Right? Now this number is 14 by minus 16. Right side, the number is 14 by minus 16. 14 by minus 16. Now if you divide 16 by 16, you are getting 1. Then we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 1. That is 14 into 1. 14 into 1 by minus 16 into 1. Or you can write is, this minus can be written as on the numerator, that is same thing, that is minus 14 by 16. Here you see both the numbers are, rational numbers are same, that this number is equal to this number. Therefore, you can say that minus 7 by 8 is equal to 14 by minus 16. Right? This is equal. Right? This is question number 3. Let us solve question number 4. Question number 4 is, you see here, question number 4 is this one, that minus 8 by 5. Question number 4 is minus 8 by 5 by 5 and minus 7 by 4 and minus 7 by 4, minus 8 by 5 and minus 7 by 4. Now you find in this way, that find the denominator, that is find the LCM of the number 5 and 4. Find the LCM 5 and 4. If you divide by 1, you will get 5 and 4. Therefore, LCM is equal to 5 into 4. LCM is equal to 5 into 4. 5 into 4, that is 20. Right? Now this number, minus 8 by 5. 8 by 5, 8 by 5. If you divide 20 by 5, you are getting 4. Therefore, you have to multiply the numerator and denominator with 4. That is 5 into 4. And this is minus 8 into 4. 4 is 32. That is minus 32. And 5 4 is 20. 5 4 is 20. 5 4 is 20. And this number is minus 7 by 4. Minus 7 by 4. Now here you see, if we divide 20 by 5, 4, we will get 5. Then we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 5. It is 4 into 5. 4 into 5 and minus 7 into 5, and that is you are getting minus 5 7 minus 35 and 4 5 20. Now compare this number with this number, right? One is minus 32 by 20, and another number is minus 35 by 20. Here you see the denominator both same, 20 20, right? And here is minus 32, here is minus 35. And here you see that is minus 32 is on the right side of minus 35. Therefore, the number which is on the right side is greater than the number which is on the left side. This minus 32 is greater than minus 35. Therefore, we can say that minus 30 by 20, 20 is greater than minus 35 by 20. Minus 30 by 20 is this number. Therefore, we can say that a minus 8 by 5 is greater than minus 7 by 4. Next, we will solve question number 5. Here see, question number 5 is, now we solve question number 5. Question number 5 is, question number 5 is 5, that is 1 by minus 3, 1 by minus 3, and another one is minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4. First of all, you find the LCM of 3 and 4. Find the LCM of 3 and 4. 3 and 4, it can be divided only by 1, that is 3 and 4. Therefore, LCM is equal to 3 into 4. 3 into 4, that is 3 4 is 12. LCM is 12, right? Now, if we take this number 1 by minus 3, 1 by minus 3. If we divide 12 by 3, we will go to 4. Therefore, we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 4. That is 1 into 4 and minus 3 into 4. Minus 3 into 4. Therefore, we are getting 4 by minus 12. Or it can also be written as minus 4 by 12. Minus 4 by 12. Now the number is minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4. Now if we divide the LCM 12 by 4, you will get 3. Therefore, you have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. That is 4 into 3 and minus 1 into 3. This is minus 3. This is 3 4 is 12. Now if you compare this number, that is minus 4 by 12, minus 4 by 12 and minus 3 by 12. In a number line, we know that this is 0, this is minus 1, this is minus 2. In number line, we know that this is minus 2, this is minus 3, and this is minus 4. In number 9, we know that the number which is on the right side of the another number, this number is greater than. That means minus 3 is greater than minus 4, minus 2 is greater than minus 3, minus 1 is greater than minus 2, right? The number which is on the right side is greater than the other number. I mean, this is on the right side, minus 3. Therefore, you can say that minus 4 by 12 is less than minus 3 by 12, right? Therefore, you can say that minus 4 by 12 means this number, 1 by minus 3 is less than minus 1 by 4, is less than minus 1 by 4, right? This is question number 5. Now we'll solve question number 6. Question number 6 is, question number 6 here you find, that is 5 by minus 11, 5 by minus 11. Minus 5 by 11. You see this number can be written as same as minus 5. We can write here as minus 5 and 11. That means if we multiply the numerator by minus 1 and denominator also by minus 1, it is minus 5 and it is 11, right? We are multiplying numerator and denominator the same number, and this is also minus 5 by 11. That means both the rational numbers are same, that you can write here as equal to, right? Now question number 7. Question number 5, 6, 7. Here you find one is 0 and this number here minus 7 by 6. And we know that 0 is always greater than a negative rational numbers. We know that. We know that 0 that 0 is greater 0 is greater than 0 is greater than any 0 is greater than 0 is greater than any negative rational number. 0 is greater than any negative rational number, greater than any negative rational number. Rational number. Therefore, we can say that 0 is greater than minus 7 by 6. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.